Gigantic submersible pump on arrival.
Offloading of the pump.
Pump on receipt. View of the impeller.
View of the shaft and lock nut.
Dismantling in progress. View of driving in bearings.
Excessive amount of grease found ingressed in the motor. Excessive grease seen on the bearing sensor and oil sensor.
Close-up view of the bearing sensor and oil sensor. Impeller removed.
Worn-out mechanical seal.
Close-up view of the worn-out mechanical seal.
View of water sensor.
The NGE bearing housing. The terminal. Close-up view of the terminal.
Driving in bearings.
Removal of bearings in progress. Removal of rotor in progress.
View of connection end.
Close-up view of the connection end. Contaminated oil inside the stator.
Stator before painting.
Stator painted and insertion of Class H insulation on progress.
View of non-connection end insertion of first coil, confirming the rig coil projection. View of connection end, confirming the rig coil projection.
All coils inserted. All coils inserted on the connection end. All coils inserted on the non-connection end.
Binding finished as seen on non-connection end. View of connection end before connection starts.
Binding of the connection end complete. Binding of the C complete. Identification of the internal and supply leads connection on progress. Internal and external connection is complete. Arrangement of the supply leads U, VX, W and U1, V1, W, on progress.
View of connection end after varnishing.
Main rotor cleaned and ready for assembly. Assembling of motor after varnishing. Assembling of motor on progress. Driven end of SSKF bearing fitted using induction heater. No hammers and crude tools used for fitting of bearings.
New bearing in place.
Side view of the new bearings.
New oil and bearing sensors connected. Assembled and ready for testing before painting. Assembled, tested and ready for dispatch.
Sprintex Engineering Services for qualified electric motor rewinding services and engineering works.